the Department of Trade and Industry. So may I call on Ms. Maria Dinda Tamayo, OIC Regional Director of DTI Region 6, to give a message and to award and to hand over loan certificates to selected MSMEs. A round of applause please for Ms. Maria Dinda Tamayo.
Maayong aga sa inyo tanan. Ambal ko akong script English. No? So nabatian nyo naman ang mga Ilonggo, kag mga Hiligay nun. So basahon ko lang akong script. No? So the Department of Trade and Industry Region 6 expresses its full support to this initiative, handog ng Pangulo, Serbisyong Tapat. Among the regular support and assistance DTI provides our MSMEs, we proudly commemorate today's event to hand over an approved loan award given by the Small Business Corporation to our micro, small, and medium enterprises. Subong lang nga bulan sa Agosto, ang SB Corporation nag-approve sa 22 ka-loan applications amounting to 5.3 million para lang sa Iloilo. And para sa subong semana, 14 enterprises will have their releases. Kag we are so proud and honored today nga duha sa ila were able to make it, and we would like to award them here personally. So I would like to request Ms. Ronnie Loreno of Hannah's Boarding House located in Iloilo City, who will receive the certificate of loan approvals. And at the same time, Mr. Aldrich P. Piabol of Dritz Construction and Supply, located in Pototan, Iloilo. With me is the Division Chief of the Department of Trade and Industry, Iloilo Provincial Office, and the representative of the Small Business Corporation. Ang nabilin nga 12 pa for Iloilo to be awarded this week, hindi nyo na sila makita because starting Monday, they will all march diretso na sa ilang mga bangko. So a round of applause for the two representatives here.